Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing my second video on Call of Duty and I'm going to be trying out the chainsaw gun. Hope you like it. Off we go. Please drop a like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and yeah, all the good stuff. The chainsaw gun, the only downside is that the aiming's terrible, but the good thing is that it's got so much power. Okay, so Ghosts. Yeah, here it is. Okay. If you remember from my last video, there's always someone round the corner. Exactly. Anyone else? Oh no. What was that? And make sure to watch out for the Chubby Bunny Challenge this weekend. Oh, that went a bit funny. Oh, there's one. And there's one. And there. Oh no. There's another one. Got him. Got an assist for it. There's one. Got him. I have to reload, and the chainsaw does take a while. No, I'm being shot at. Oh, there he is. Oh, too late. Come back. And go back this way, away from everyone. Up here. There's one. Got him. No! Didn't see him. Anyone else? Oh, there's one. Car. Another one. He got shot. I'll follow this guy. No! I really need a dog right now. Is he on our team? No, he's not. Go. Where is he? Oh, he's up there. Oh no, there's a bunch of them. Yes. Oh no. Come dog. Yay. In the corner. I think he sees someone. Yeah. Probably one up there. someone else. Have to be careful around there because they sometimes come round to this one. Got shot. Right, there's one coming. What? Come on, dog. No, I think that means killed. Where's that mean? There it is. Yes, I got Maniac. Basically, with the Maniac, you run really fast, and then the only way you can win is by knifing them. But you take a lot more bullets as well. It's very useful. Where's that? Where is he? I don't know, but I'm gonna run. Oh no! We lost it already. Oops, shot down a tree. Wow, I got someone by that. Right, sorry, but we're going to have to end it there because the video's gone on for quite a while, so thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe, bye.